Ozark, pretty place, pretty travel trailer too. And hey, if you like RVs, you like camping, be sure to click like, subscribe, and notify. And by the way, thanks for doing it. Now let's step inside the Ozark. First thing you're gonna see is that kitchen. It is full of form and functionality. You're gonna get a large 11 cubic foot, 12-volt fridge, plus an upgraded appliance package in all Ozarks with an oven added in the tandem axles. All are gonna get a multi-burner cooktop. Most will get a microwave. You see here the sink, that is a deep single basin sink with the high-rise faucet. All your drawers will have solid wood drawer slides with ball bearing guides. A lot of the Ozark models will have a skylight, and all of them will have a lot of windows. It's actually a class LED window package. Pretty cool, right? Not nearly as cool as that 13,500 BTU roof-mounted AC unit. Taking a look down, you're going to see the flooring is a one-piece linoleum. Easy to take care of and easy to clean. As for the bathroom, you got that beautiful shower surround in there. Now let's chat a little bit about the bedroom. Every Ozark comes with an upgraded hypoallergenic mattress. Most are going to be queen size, but some will have king beds. Every Ozark comes with a lot of USB charging outlets. The single axle models will have a portable FM Bluetooth stereo, and the tandem axles will have that standard AM FM Bluetooth stereo. Naturally, they all have mounting spots for a TV or two. On the Ozark exterior, you're going to find cable TV hookups and an exterior outlet to keep the party going. You're also going to get that beautiful full-length power awning with LED light strip and adjustable arms or adjustable legs, just to make sure that the rain doesn't mess with you if you want to keep the party going. You'll also be able to keep your Ozark very nice and stabilized. Every Ozark comes with a stabilizer jack, and the tandem axle models will have upgraded 5,000-pound stabilizer jacks. And speaking of rain, outside shower with hot and cold water is going to come on every Ozark. What else are you going to find outside? Backup camera prep, Furion solar prep so you can make that sun do some of the work for you, plus you get a black tank flush. The storage has large 32 by 16 baggage doors with catches. Every Ozark also comes with a spare tire with carrier. And the toy hauler Ozarks, this is pretty sweet. The patio deck with railing system on the ramp. Now, before I get into some of the floor plans, I want to talk a little bit about the Ascent package. That's the Ozark package where you get smooth-sided fiberglass exterior walls. You're also going to get upgraded steel wheels as well as that slick-looking graphics package. For the floor plans, you're going to find quite a lot of different ones, from lightweight single axle to much longer and far heavier tandem axles. So make sure you know your tow vehicle's capacity before you make your Ozark decision. And by the way, we actually have a really great towing guide on our website, campingworld.com. Go check it out. Now let's highlight some select Ozarks. The 1620 BHLE is a limited edition, hence the LE. It can handle up to 5 sleepers. You're going to get a corner queen bed, large jackknife sofa, and stacked twin bunks. The 240 BHKX has double over double bunks, a comfy trifold sofa, and a private master bedroom with a walk-around king bed. You'll also get an outside kitchen, and it can sleep up to 8. There are some sweet Ozarks designed for the camping couple. The lightweight 1610 RBLE has a very nice sized rear bath with a linen closet, a queen bed centered up front, and a sofa across from the kitchen. You can sleep up to 3 in that 1610 RBLE. The 2630 RBKX is a camp couple's dream. You'll get 2 entries, one private directly into the master bedroom, and 2 slide outs. One for the bed, the other for the living area and the trifold sofa. The bathroom is huge and has one of my favorite features, dual vanity sinks. Let me tell you, makes camping life so much better when you have it. Also on that one, you're going to get an outdoor kitchen with a griddle. Upgrade the camping cooking experience. The 2630 RBKX can easily sleep up to 4. Here's a very unique layout, the Ozark 2670 RKX. This rear kitchen layout has a massive kitchen counter, complete with bench seats. The king bed is in a slide, and the front cap is all wardrobe closet, which is pretty nice. Of course, you do get an outdoor kitchen as well, and sleeping capacity, how about 4? Ozark does have toy haulers, and one of the best is the 2800 THKX. You'll get an open garage floor plan with plenty of garage space, plus the flip-out sofas. The kitchen is a very nice size, and the front bedroom is magnificent with its king bed and a slide, and the front cap with closet and washer-dryer prep. The 2800 THKX can sleep up to 6. Ozark, conventional or fiberglass, you can find the one you want at rv.campingworld.com.